Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Let me introduce you to my little chickadees. One day when I was out putting seeds in the bird feeder, a chickadee came along and took some seeds right out of my hand. And now they are regularly eaten out of my hand. It's so lovely. They are so friendly. Chickadees are the loveliest little birds. They don't migrate in the winter, so I usually put some seeds out for them. And hopefully they get them before the squirrel. I have to chase the squirrel away. But I'm going to trap him and move him to a different location so that he doesn't encroach on the bird seeds all the time. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little chickadees. Every day they come right to my patio door if I'm not outside or there aren't any seeds in the bird feeder, and they flutter their little wings while they look inside my patio door. So then I go outside and I feed them. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my little chickadees. Bye for now.